The home to Hampton Inn is located in downtown Tampa in the Channel District. It is within a 15-minute walk of the Tampa Riverwalk and the Port of Tampa. This vlog covers a tour of the room and the common areas. Welcome to room 407. This is an accessible king suite. The bathroom was spacious and luxurious, featuring plenty of counter space. This room was accessible and features all the necessary railing, as well as a bench inside the shower for your accessibility needs. There was lots of organized closet space. The king bed was spacious and very comfortable. The room featured digital controls for both the temperature as well as the blinds. The room featured plenty of USB outlets for easy charging, as well as a wireless charger near the bed. There was plenty of room to do work and vlog. The TV setting was large and, of course, in HD. The elevators feature keycard access for additional security. Have I mentioned that there's a Starbucks inside the hotel? Head out the front doors and hang a left. Go to all the downtown activities and also the port. The hotel features two spacious and comfortable breakfast areas. The gym is well equipped with free weights, CrossFit equipment, as well as ellipticals and treadmills. You'll also find the laundry room located inside the fitness center. And the centerpiece of this hotel is by far this amazing pool, with grills, lounge areas, and amazing overlooks of the city. We hope you enjoyed the tour of this amazing hotel If you did, please give us a like and please subscribe. We are the Moonlight Mafia, and we have cocktails.